My name is Emmanuel Babila Gawatafon, the promoter of Go Life. What's Go Life all about? Go Life is about producing this paper bag and electrifying this paper bag for household user. What do we want to do? What we actually want to do is to include solar panel on these bags so that we can electrify this bag so that it produces electricity for our local user in our local community to help them be able to get electricity when in time of darkness. So that's all what this project is all about, and we are currently at the first phase of the project, which is manufacturing this bag, this is a sample of what we're doing, and our producers and our co-workers are currently working on designing the solar panel so that it could fit in this bag and make it usable for household user and all those in our community facing difficulties when we have darkness. So that's what our project is all about. Thank you very much, and I hope to be among the gist.